Want to cut your gardening time in half, avoid back pain, and actually look forward to spending time in your garden again? In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 9 real garden hacks with affordable tools, including one ergonomic weeder under $40 that removes weeds without bending. These tools aren't just clever, they're game changers for anyone who wants to garden smarter, not harder. Gardening connects us to the earth, to nature, and to ourselves. But let's be honest, the aches, sore muscles, and endless hours can sometimes steal the joy and leave us feeling more tired than fulfilled. I'm Jessica, and welcome to USA Garden Hacks and Tools, where we share smart, practical tips to save you time, money, and energy so you can get the most out of your garden. Last summer, I was completely exhausted from endless weeding and heavy lifting until I discovered a few simple tools that changed everything for me. Suddenly, gardening felt lighter, easier, and way more enjoyable. That's when I realized gardening shouldn't be a chore or a source of pain. It should be a pleasure, a way to relax, and a chance to reconnect with what matters most. The right tools let you work smarter, not harder, so you can spend less time struggling and more time enjoying your garden's beauty and bounty. These aren't just gadgets. They're real solutions that respect your body, your time, and your love for gardening. They help you avoid injury, reduce fatigue, and make every task feel more rewarding. With the right approach, you can focus on the magic of growing, nurturing, and harvesting, instead of worrying about the strain or the hours slipping away. Today, I'll share my favorite discoveries and must-have tools so you can find peace, accomplishment, and a renewed sense of joy in your own garden. Let's dive in together and transform the way you garden, making it easier, more enjoyable, and truly rewarding. Our first hack is claw gardening gloves, an ingenious tool that transforms your hands into the ultimate gardening instrument. With these gloves, your fingers become as effective as any trowel, letting you dig, scoop, and shape the earth with precision. The durable plastic claws on each fingertip make it easy to break up tough soil, pull out stubborn weeds, and plant delicate flowers, all without switching tools. Forget about juggling trowels, spades, or searching for that missing hand tool. With claw gloves, everything you need is literally at your fingertips. Just kneel down and dig, break through compacted earth, plant bulbs, or weed around delicate roots with ease and confidence. These gloves streamline your gardening routine, helping you work faster and stay in the flow, so you can focus on nurturing your plants. For larger jobs, like digging big holes, a shovel is still your best friend. But for everyday tasks, like planting, weeding, or mixing soil, these gloves are a total game changer. You'll feel the texture of the soil, sense hidden roots or rocks, and adjust your grip and pressure for delicate work, giving you total control and a real connection to your garden. By reducing clutter and eliminating the need for extra tools, you can move freely and work more efficiently, making gardening less of a chore and more of a joy. It's a more tactile, mindful way to garden, one that lets you truly engage with the earth and your plants. You're not just digging, you're sculpting and shaping your garden with your own hands, bringing your vision to life in a hands-on way. If you want to feel more connected to your garden and save time on every task, start with claw gloves. They're perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Sometimes, the simplest innovations are the most profound, and these gloves prove that a small change can make a big difference. Get your hands dirty in the best way, protected, efficient, and joyful. You'll wonder how you ever gardened without them. Try them for yourself and discover just how much easier and more enjoyable gardening can be. Next up, let's explore the silicone thumb knife, a tiny tool with a surprisingly huge impact on your gardening routine. This clever invention is designed to make pruning and harvesting easier, faster, and more enjoyable, especially for those who love to get hands-on with their plants. It slips comfortably over your thumb, almost like a second skin, with a sharp, durable blade at the tip for precise, clean cuts every time. The fit is snug and secure, so you can move naturally as you work. Forget about reaching for bulky shears for every small job. Just use your thumb to gently pinch off dead leaves or spent blooms. It's perfect for deadheading flowers, keeping your garden looking fresh and healthy with minimal effort. It's also fantastic for harvesting herbs like basil and mint, letting you snip just what you need without damaging the rest of the plant. You'll find it's a real time saver during busy harvests. Compared to traditional shears, the thumb knife is faster, more precise, and much gentler on your plants. You can target exactly what needs to be pruned, reducing the risk of accidental damage. No more sore thumbs or dirt packed under your nails. The sharp blade does the hard work for you, while your hands stay clean and comfortable, even after a long day in the garden. It's ideal for thinning delicate seedlings, allowing you to separate tiny plants with accuracy and care, giving each one the best chance to thrive. Or use it to harvest vegetables without damaging fragile vines or stems, ensuring your crops stay healthy and productive. The thumb knife becomes a subtle extension of your hand, making you feel more connected to your plants and the work you do in your garden. It encourages you to slow down, focus on the details, and truly care for each plant, one gentle cut at a time. Once you try it, you'll discover endless uses all over the garden. From flowers to herbs to vegetables, it quickly becomes an essential tool. It's a small, affordable tool that truly makes a big difference, both in your results and your gardening experience. For delicate pruning tasks, this is your new go-to. Gentle, precise, and easy to use, even on the most fragile stems. Experience a more intimate, caring way to garden, and let the silicone thumb knife bring a new level of ease and joy to your time among the plants. Bring order to your garden with Velcro adjustable plant ties. These soft, reusable ties are a smarter alternative to twine or wire. They grow with your plants. Just unwrap and readjust as stems thicken. No more cutting into delicate stems or struggling with tangled ties. They support without restricting, keeping plants healthy and strong. Use them for tomatoes, roses, peonies, or climbing vines. At season's end, rinse and reuse, no waste. They help organize your garden, improve air circulation, and make harvesting easier. Cut to any length for a perfect fit every time. Velcro ties are a simple, sustainable solution for a neat, thriving garden. Keep your space beautiful and serene with this easy hack. Every gardener needs a great trowel, and the Fiskars Garden Trowel is a standout. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably, reducing hand fatigue. The cast aluminum blade is strong, rust-resistant, and won't bend, even in tough soil. Polished for easy cleaning, it glides through dirt effortlessly. Graduation marks on the blade let you measure planting depth, no more guessing. All this quality for around $5 on Amazon. It's proof you don't need to spend a fortune for a reliable tool. A good trowel becomes your trusted garden friend. The Fiskars trowel makes digging simple, comfortable, and satisfying. Invest in comfort and success. Your hands and plants will thank you. Make every planting a pleasure with the right tool. Weeding can be tough on your back, but Grandpa's weeder changes everything. With a 45-inch bamboo handle and steel claw, you can pull weeds standing up, no bending required. Just center the claws, press with your foot, lean back, and pop out the weed, root and all. It's fast, satisfying, and saves your back. Works on dandelions, thistles, crabgrass, removing the whole root so weeds don't return. No chemicals, just effective, permanent results. Over 42,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. People love how it makes weeding possible and even fun. It's a game changer for anyone with mobility issues or who wants to avoid pain. Grandpa's weeder lets you maintain your garden without strain. Stand tall, weed easily, and give your plants room to shine. Gardening should be about joy, not pain. This tool gives you power, leverage, and freedom. Try it and rediscover the pleasure of a weed-free garden. For close-up tasks, comfort matters. Meet the ergonomic kneeler and seat combo. It's a sturdy kneeler with thick foam to protect your knees and keep you clean. Handles on each side help you get up and down easily, no more struggling. Flip it over, and it becomes a comfortable garden stool for sitting tasks. Perfect for deadheading, planting, or harvesting low crops. Many models include tool pouches. Keep everything within reach. No more getting up and down for forgotten tools. It's a mobile gardening station for efficiency and comfort. This tool removes barriers, letting you garden longer and more comfortably. Invest in your body and your passion. Enjoy meditative, pain-free sessions in your garden. Make gardening accessible and enjoyable at any age. Simplify your garden with a smart capsule approach. Choose a core group of reliable, beautiful plants, evergreens, grasses, and long-blooming perennials. Add seasonal pops of color, tulips in spring, zinnias in summer, mums in fall. Swap out these accents as the seasons change for a fresh look year-round. This system keeps your garden manageable and low maintenance. Focus your energy on a few key areas, not constant overhauls. Pick plants suited to your climate for easy success. Capsule gardening is about structure, creativity, and simplicity. Enjoy a dynamic, curated garden that's easy to manage. Let your garden serve you, not the other way around. Short on space? Try raised garden beds with wheels. These mobile beds let you chase the sun or move plants out of harm's way during storms. Perfect for patios, balconies, or anywhere space is limited. Raised to a comfortable height, no bending or kneeling. Great for accessibility and total control over soil quality. Wheel herbs to your kitchen door or create a living privacy screen. Rearrange your garden whenever you want a new look. It's gardening unbound, flexible, dynamic, and adaptable. Perfect for urban gardeners, renters, or anyone who loves change. A mobile raised bed proves you can garden beautifully anywhere. Let your garden move with you and fit your life. There's nothing like seeing a seed you planted sprout. Give your seeds the best start with seed starting trays and humidity domes. Start seeds indoors for a head start on the season and stronger seedlings. Trays with individual cells let each plant develop strong roots. The clear dome traps warmth and moisture, creating a mini greenhouse. Protects seeds from drafts and temperature swings. Label rows, track progress, and keep things organized. Transplant seedlings easily with minimal shock. It's a clean, satisfying way to nurture your future garden. Invest in a seed starting system for a season of abundance and beauty. That's 9 hacks for speedy, strain-free gardening. Claw gloves, thumb knife Velcro ties, Fiskars trowel Grandpa's Weeder Kneeler Seat Capsule Garden, mobile raised bed seed starting kit. Each tool is about making gardening more joyful and less of a strain. Which hack is your favorite? Comment below and tell me what you want to see next. Your garden is your journey. Choose tools that support your needs. Want my free capsule garden setup guide? Click the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-value garden hacks. There's always something new to grow and learn. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.